Shell and Enzo Ferrari first combined forces in the 1930s, and in the 58 years since the first Ferrari car turned a wheel, Shell and Ferrari have become synonymous with success, reliability, and above all else, passion. Shell develops the fuels and lubricants required by the most successful Formula One team ever. With the learnings and groundbreaking technology taken from their work with Ferrari, Shell can be sure that by the time these products reach the forecourt, they have been through and survived the toughest test bed there is, Formula One. Back in the garage, Shell V-Power and Shell Helix flow in and out of the car. The lifeblood of the engine, the Shell fuel and lubricant is tested many times each weekend, and the results are shared with the team to provide valuable information on the condition of the engine. Assembled and disassembled across 5 continents, the Shell Track Lab can be found at the heart of Ferrari's trackside operation. This is where Shell engineers analyse the fuel and lubricant samples. The Track Lab is a unique facility which gives the Ferrari drivers the confidence to fight to the end of a race.
Okay.
Hidden from the public eye, Shell engineers extract 5 millilitres of a V-Power sample into a glass vial, before taking 1 microlitre for analysis. By heating the fuel until it evaporates, the gas chromatography analysis equipment breaks the fuel down into around 250 components. The quantity of each component gives the fuel a unique identification, known as a fingerprint, which is compared to the approved fingerprint held by the sport's governing body. Even though the demands of a Formula One and road car engine appear poles apart, the reliability challenges are similar. Shell can provide Scuderia Ferrari with a unique insight into the condition of its engine by analysing the contents of the used oil. A sample of Shell Helix oil from the Ferrari's engine is put through an X-ray spectrometer. The data received is then compared to an extensive archive of results. If tests show higher levels of wear than normal, the engineers report the findings to Ferrari and discuss the next steps for the weekend. Shell Helix for Scuderia Ferrari is tailored, but the technology is applied to Shell Helix products available the world over. With skill gained from practicing over 30 times a weekend, the specialist team of Ferrari mechanics work with extreme precision during every single pit stop. As the car stops on its mark, the mechanics descend to check the car's vital components and refuel. Shell works to power and protect the most famous cars in the world. The constant innovation and improvement of Shell V-Power and Shell Helix in partnership with Ferrari means Shell finds the latest technological advances and delivers the ultimate power and protection back to the forecourt.